Maayong adlaw natong tanan diha sa Pilipinas, ani ata karon diri sa Cozumel, Mexico. Ug mo ni among barko. Guys, magsuroy lang tano diri sa Cozumel ug tan-aw nato kung unsa atong makita karong adlaw. So guys, kauban nako si Hansel. Atong tan-awon kung unsay makita nato karon diri sa Cozumel considering nga karong adlaw Domingo ug kami lang ang cruise ship. Medyo mingaw ang ato ang terminal today. Gamay lang ang mga undahan nga abli kay considering lagi nga Domingo karon ug kami lang ang cruise ship. Pagsulod ninyo sa terminal na may makita nga ngalan nga Cozumel. Ayan guys, so sayo Hans.
Hi guys! Hello! Why you content? Oh, in the program.
About something
Now you
that
came with
just
working in
happened.
the boat? Yeah.
She has to bring up 25 things
I
that
know.
happened where even we existed.
Thank you.
Again.
Okay guys, so meron din tayong senior frog dito guys. And that's the one, no? And then pwede tayong pumasok dito guys. And pwede tayong sumayaw dyan, no? Pwede drinks and so on. And I like this this sign here guys. Look. Alright. Senior frog. O yan guys, lakad-lakad lang kami ni guys. And actually para lang siyang Pilipinas guys. Look at that, no? Kung marami po mga boats dito guys palabas ng Cozumel kasi yung Cozumel guys is ano ba ito ng island. So ayan guys, babayad ka siguro dito sa babayad ito and then you're gonna ride one of those boats guys that goes out of the island. Anyway guys, yun yung barko namin. Alright, Silver Nova. Guys, Cozumel is one of the hot place to visit guys, no, pag nasa cruise. And ayan guys, marami po mga tourists yan guys, and some of them are actually on top of this cone guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, bibili si Hans ng souvenir guys. And what is it? Wow, Mexican flag guys. Alright. Magkano siya? $2.
Yes, $2
$36 pesos or $2
Here's
in
$3.
US dollars guys. Ayan, maraming mga gandang mga magnet dito guys, no? Ayan, alright.
Mexico, this is very good one. 3D.
So ayan guys, nakakita ko ng plates dito guys. This is actually my collections for my future house guys. And luckily may nakita akong magandang plate guys, and this is the one. Alright. Poquito, Espanyol, habla. Right? Poquito Espanyol, alright. Anto cambio?
Ahí son $5,
Ajá.
90 pesos.
90. $5, 90 pesos.
Pero en todos lados es diferente el tipo de cambio. Es a different exchange rate.
Yeah. Guys, may mga magandang mural dito guys. Ayan. Dito sa ano guys, marami ding mga kainan dito guys, no? Mexican flag guys, arranged by Hans. Una poca de gracia na 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 na. Hey ba bamba. La ba bamba. La ba bamba. Na na. Yeah, La Bamba. Alright. So finally, malapit na tayo sa stop natin. And this is the watch here guys. This is one of the monuments na nakikita mo dito sa Cozumel guys, na representative talaga ng lugar na to. Ano tayo Hans? Yan guys, so hindi ko alam guys kung anong meaning nito guys, no? And yep, just in front actually of the pier. And there's another signage there. It's called Cozumel guys. Meron tayong statue dito guys, and this is like a you know, an art, an Inca art, you know. So yan guys, no. Ito talaga yung mga pinupuntahan dito sa lugar nito guys, kasi may mga Inca or Aztec, you know. Yan ang mga ano nila. Ayan, si Hans dadasal na guys.
Gracias. Gracias. Gracias.
Ayan guys, Isla Cozumel. Gusto ko talaga itong gayahin sa Pilipinas guys. And look at that how they made it, okay? Ganda.
Ako na lang yung
Hans.
flag.
Go, go, go! So ito naman yung Hooters guys, no? Alright, it's very popular guys. Gusto nyo uminom. And there are like sexy bar waitress. Diba, Hads? Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr another of my collection guys is these Starbucks na mga cups guys, and I'm gonna buy this one, Cozumel. Gonna buy this mango dragon fruit guys, and then I'm gonna have 2 muffins.
Medium size?
Yeah, medium. Ito na yung ano namin, dragon fruit. Alright. Sarap.
Sarap. Yummy.
Pabalik na kami ng barko guys, no? Yay!
Happy.
Okay, so yan yung barko namin guys, Silver Nova, napakalaki po. And mind you guys, ang tubig dito sa Caribbean guys, or here in Cozumel, look at that guys, napaka-clear turquoise water guys, look. Kaya ang ganda talaga, no? Alright, so again guys, thank you very much for coming with this on this short tour here in Cozumel. And we hope to see you next time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.